guys, we are up here in Koreatown, and gonna do a little walk around and just check out, see what's going on. I haven't been up here this way a whole lot, but I'm gonna take a little walk with you. So let's go for a stroll, and I got Umberto behind me here too. So we're hanging out Saturday afternoon. It's beautiful weather. The sun is about to go down, and we're gonna take a little stroll up the street here.
It's interesting, Koreatown. Lots of restaurants, places.
Yeah.
Nice people.
Right? Yeah, but you definitely see that you're in. You definitely see that you're in a different part of town. But you have restaurants everywhere. Some hotels, and like I always say in my videos, there's something going on in Philippines when it comes to construction, because that's going on everywhere.
Built everywhere.
This road has just been widened. Maybe 2 years ago, a year ago, there was single lane roads here. It was terrible to get by here. But that was all changed a couple of years ago. So we're taking a stroll here today, and we'll just see what's going on. Am I walking too fast for you?
No,
You just keep an eye open?
I am just looking at different things, different places, different things.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, man. Sorry.
I don't have right now.
You see how lovely she is?
Yeah.
I wonder what part of the Philippines they're from.
They're coming from the southern provinces.
Southern provinces.
And basically they send them here to be on the streets begging money.
Making money.
Yeah. Anyway, there is another building in construction. And we can just walk down this way. Travel and tours.
Hello, sir.
Hello. What did he say?
Welcome to Crazy Town.
Yeah.
They call it Crazy Town. You're gonna see a lot of vans around this road. White vans, black vans, everywhere. Koreans, what they do is they get together and they go to the different restaurants or bars or social gathering places.
Right.
Meet people and they ride around vans and they go from one place to the other. That's what they do.
Right.
And so
This is a kind of funny sign, right? If you look up there, you have all this food, right?
yeah, and on top is massage.
Ken's massage. That's kind of funny.
It is kind of funny.
Yeah.
And these are the vans that the Koreans ride in. You know, they're all blacked out. Nobody can see inside. So they are out there having fun.
Well, the good thing about that is when they're all blacked out in white vans, you know there's a Korean in it.
That's exactly right. For instance, one of their favorite clubs is right across the street. You can see that it's Gobuji or something like that.
Gubuji?
Yes.
KTV, yeah.
Yeah, it's KTV.
What is that? Is that like a...
It's a karaoke place where there's lots of ladies inside. And you go over there, you sit down, and they bring you drinks. And you sit and you drink, and you sit and you drink, and you buy ladies drinks, you know.
And it sounds like
you're
getting drunk in the end of the day.
Yes, at the end of the day, you spent an awful lot of money, and you drank and sang, and next day you're gonna say, "Where did all that money go?" anyways.
All right. But they have Korean restaurants over here.
Yeah, it's full of
both.
different KTV places all over the place here.
Yeah. What are those? I never figured out.
Karaoke.
What do we got here? That's also looks like a restaurant.
Premium KTV is premium all the way up top.
KTV. So that's also like a karaoke bar.
Yep, they're all karaoke bars.
That's amazing.
JTV is Japanese karaoke or whatever, or KTV is Korean.
TV.
I don't know what the difference is.
I never figured out.
It's basically the same thing.
I never figured out what it is. But
And the buffets are good around here.
oh yeah, no, we've been up here. There's a little further down here. I've been here a couple of times. There's all-you-can-eat buffet up here, Korean.
They are so good.
Really
I
good,
love
yeah.
Korean food. For some reason, they make some very,
Yeah.
very good things.
Yep. So yeah, it's
As you can see, more white vans and more KTV places.
right.
Black or white or
Yeah. What's up with that? Why are they driving
vans.
white?
Vans that are totally blacked out, so that when they are going around town partying, nobody can see who they are.
Right. Korean way of driving around, I guess.
Korean way
I
of having fun.
have Korean I know. He owns a hotel down there. He's a really nice guy.
Well, most Koreans are very friendly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my experience anyway.
I like their food, they're good people.
Right. Yeah.
They like to have fun with the ladies too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Careful.
Yeah, I gotta watch where you're going.
You gotta watch where you're going in these streets here because ever since they widened the road, I guess. Anyways, this is pretty.
Yeah, so but that's cool. I've been up to that one there, I think. Somebody you know?
Bojo,
Bojo.
with Irene. They just
Oh.
came from visiting our friend.
Ah, I see. Did he see you?
I hope so. I waved. That was nice.
All right, so here's another Korean restaurant.
Oh, it is packed with. You'll find some Vietnamese food restaurants, some Japanese restaurants, but mostly it's all Korea.
Right. Yeah, this one is good. I've been there. The
Corner one, yes.
Doneno, or whatever they call it. Meat Grill House.
Yes.
Me and Jan.
Our apologies for the pronunciation
Yeah, we don't know.
or whatever.
I can't read Korean anyway,
No, I can't.
so. All right, should we head over on the other side maybe?
Yeah, let's just keep going for a little bit more. And then we can come back on the other side of the road. We still have a lot of sun left.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Here you're gonna have one of your most expensive places for,
Where?
for having fun. It's called the White Fox.
JTV?
Yeah, JTV.
Yeah. There you go, that's a cool one.
That's a cool jeepney.
Yeah.
White Fox.
The White Fox.
then they just opened up another one recently, the Playboy Mansion.
Where is that one?
It's on this next street on the left, going down there. It's a very nice, brand new Korean restaurant and
Karaoke bar?
the new karaoke bar. Yeah, they just opened it up.
Okay. All right. Snowman Laundry. There you go, Korean meat chop.
I'm afraid to ask what they sell there.
Where?
The Korean meat shop.
Yeah, dogs.
Yeah.
No, that I think they outlawed that here in Philippines.
I don't know. There's Filipinos that eat dogs. And there's the one I was telling you about. That's a new restaurant there, the Korean cuisine, and then the JTV, the Playboy.
Oh, okay. So that's a new one.
That's brand new, yeah.
I've never been down that.
And then there's this place. Oh, there's Boom Chicken. Oh, you should try the chicken there.
Boom chicken?
Yes, when I was hospitalized, one of the nurses turned me into Boom Chicken.
Right.
And I've been a fan ever since.
That.
They're a little on the expensive side compared to other food around here, but
Well,
they are so good.
Well, we are in the Korean side of town,
It is.
And,
more expensive than.
and money and expenses go up. This place I've been eating at here.
Jiangsu, Filipino and Korean food,
Yeah.
seafood restaurant.
Yep.
Okay.
Jiangsu. And they're really good actually. They're very good.
Boom Chicken is.
All right, so you got
outstanding.
boom chicken over on that side.
Cross
So
the street. We cross the street and walk back.
yeah.
The buffet places that I've been to are four corners ahead.
Right. All right, crossing the street can be a thing that is difficult here.
Yeah.
Filipinos are never in a hurry except when they're behind the wheels.
Wait for this guy to go back. Oh, thank you. We got a polite one.
Yeah,
There.
there's unusual. Unusual. Boom chicken down that way.
Anyway.
So,
By the way, we're really close to Clark Airport.
yeah. I've been out, I did a couple of blogs over at Clark at one point.
Busy place.
Yeah.
Busy place.
Nope, we're walking. We're walking today. All right. Foot spa.
Famous tricycle.
Yep.
Here's a nice jeepney. Look at that.
Oh, that one is pretty cool. Yeah.
Primarily, mostly restaurants and bars, JTV places. Good food in this street. A lot of good food. Oh, look at that. Selling lobsters.
Was that a lobster,
That
or,
was a lobster.
or a big shrimp?
I don't know. It looked like a lobster to me, but if it was a shrimp, then it must have been a shrimp on steroids, because that was huge.
Yeah. Well, I have had shrimp that is about as big as my
So
hand.
your hands like this.
You know. Liquor house.
The beauty of the Philippines.
Right. Yeah, the sun is about to go down now. Alright guys, we've been taking a stroll here, so now we're about to wrap it up, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. God bless.
Bye. Take care.